Last year I did a video where I bought 40 PS2 games for $50, and you all really like that video. Here are all the games, looking all good, all cute, but you want to see, do they work? So here's what I did. I bought PS2, which I'm actually scared because it's in this tiny box that is from eBay. I have no idea if it's legit. Like seriously, I remember my PS2 was the size of this PS4 over here. So I'm like, what is this box? So we're gonna open this live. Well, you know, like we're gonna do it right now. See what this PS2 looks like and see if I got ripped off. And then we're gonna test a couple of these games if this is actually a PS2. I'm actually kind of scared. The box looks so gank.
Wait, did you say gank? Did you just say gank?
Yeah, I did.
It's jank?
Look, back in my day, we didn't have J's. Okay. Let's do this one at a time. There's a controller. Okay, let's, you know, oh God, that's dusty. I can't remember that. Yeah. I haven't seen the PS2 yet. Like, where is it? Okay, so, we have games. They gave me NBA Live 2002. Ooh. Oh, that's starring, is that Michael Jordan on the Wizards? All-Star Baseball 2003. Okay. I didn't know they were going to throw games in here. This is hilarious. Alaskan Adventures. Ooh, fishing. MX versus ATV Unleashed. Ooh, Unleashed. And, oh my, dude. Okay. Is just what a PS... Was I just smaller back then? And didn't like, why is it so... Did they come out with a Slim maybe? Or a Mini? I don't remember this. Hold on. I remember my PS2 being like twice the size of this. Maybe they did come out with this. It doesn't say Slim on it. Or does it? Doesn't it look weird? Like, I guess this is a fully functioning PS2. It is dirty. It got tape on it. I'm scared. I'm actually scared. All right, so they gave me this, you know, adapter. But like, if you look closely, it looked like the pins. I don't trust this thing. I fortunately bought my own on I think this was on eBay as well. So it's a PS2 to HDMI converter. I have no idea what it looks like. I'm opening it for the first time. And yeah, this is what I suspected. All the pins are there. I think this goes into the back of the PS. Yeah, right here. I am so scared. Okay, it fit in. Can you do it this way? No, okay. Don't, shut up. All right, and then I put the HDMI here. It's cracked right where the power, I was so nervous. There's a crack right there. And I'm like, is that gonna be a, but we're doing it. We're doing it live. We're doing it. Wow. We're doing it. Wow. Okay, HDMI goes in. Okay, yeah, you can back up now. We're gonna have the, oh, okay. So I see it on. Let's, it must be HDMI 3. I am so nervous, Tay. All right, you ready?
Let's see.
Here we go.
Here we go.
I hear whirring.
Oh.
Is it?
Huh?
Is it? Hello? It's a. Give me 1 second. Just to let you know what's working. So we're in HDMI 3, right? I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, there it is. HDMI 3. So this is working. Even this part, this brand new adapter is working. I think this is busted.
It's busted.
I think I spent about 60, maybe 60 to 100. I don't know.
On a busted PS2 in 2020.
The green.
You got a PS4 right there.
I mean, the lights are on. Everything's on. Okay, are you laughing at me?
I'm laughing at you. You spent $60 on a PS2 in 2020.
I'm gonna put a game in.
Let's see what happens. 2 hours later. Listen, it's okay. I know you want to. It's okay. I know you want to play Lego Star Wars. I know you want to play Lego Star Wars. I know, but it's broken. There's nothing you can do.
That's not the game I wanted to play.
Oh, what game did you want to play?
All I wanted was X-Men Legends. Now I can't play it. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. I get it. But like, what? X-Men Legends?
I'm tired of losing money.
You've been wasting money, honestly.
See, I bet some of these pins are stuck in here. And it's even, look how broke up it is right here.
Look at this, look at this.
I'm
You can see the bulge.
I am so mad right now. Like everything is on. The adapter is on. It's new, brand new. But I can't win. I can't win. 2020 it was the cereal.
The cereal.
Now it's this. And I'm upset. I'm upset. This is a complete fail. Shut up.
I don't know.
Don't y'all be laughing at me. I'm gonna throw this out the window so bad.
Why not? You might hit somebody in the head.
I might hit. That's the only reason.
That's the only reason to save that PS2, that dirty, dirty PS2.